If you're looking to retire or you know someone that is about to retire, then check this out. This is the total retirement package. First and foremost, I do want to say thank you to the company for sending me this product so I could give you my full and honest review. So let's go ahead and unbox it, see what we have inside. First and foremost, let's start with this cute little crown. It says retired, has a heart up top, and then this little jewel in the middle. Check that out. Super cute, and it does have these right here, these little clips, so you can go ahead and ensure that it stays nice and straight. Let's go ahead and try this on. Officially retired. Next, you get this cute little sash. It says, I'm officially retired. Check it out. I'll give you a close-up on that. Super cute glitter letters. So you want to go ahead and put this around. Also comes with a cute little pin. If in case you're throwing a party, of course you can never go wrong with a little topper. So this one says happy retirement. And it does have the two little sticks, so you can go ahead and place. So you want to go ahead and put one on one end and one on the other, just like this. A great thing is that you don't need to buy anything additional because it does come with the little sticky tabs. So you can go ahead and place this once you're ready to put this on your cake. Next, you get a table cover. This one is 54 by 108. It is a rectangle table cover. Check this out. Super nice pink chrome. As you can see, everything matches from the sash to the crown to the table cover. And last but not least, you get this banner that says officially retired. Check out the banner. It has a nice confetti up top. It has the words officially retired. So this is cute if in case you or someone you know is officially retiring. Everything that you need is included, from the crown to the sash to the banner, and also a cake topper along with a table topper. Overall, I would definitely recommend. Super affordable and super cute.